Good morning students, welcome to the online class of computer. Today we are going to start MCQs of chapter number 1 Microsoft Access 2010. So let us begin. First one, a dash is a collection of information which is related to a particular topic like student information, sport details, etc. Options are A table, B query, C database. So answer is database here. Database is a collection of information which is related to a particular topic like student information, sports detail, etc. Okay. Second one, a dash is the basic unit of database. Options are A table, B query, C database. So answer is table here. Table is the basic unit of database. Third one, a dash is used to enter data in a table in a colorful and graphical way. Options are A form, B query, C database. So answer is form here. Fourth one, a dash is a collection dash is a question asked to the data stored in a table. Options are A table, B query, C database. So answer is query here. Fifth one, a dash is an output process of a database. Options are A report, B query, C database. So answer is report here. So let us revise one more time. Database is a collection of information. Okay, the basic unit of database is called table, and we have to enter data in colorful and graphical way. Which form is used? Form. Okay, form is used to enter the data in a colorful and a graphical way. Fourth way, if you have a question if you have a question and you are asking to the table, so that is called query. Okay, query is the question asked to the data stored in a table. Okay. Fifth one, a report is an output process. The report is generated by the database. Okay. Sixth one, using report you can print your data in an organized and attractive way. Option A, neat and tidy, B, colorful and tidy, C, organized and attractive. So answer is organized and attractive. So using reports you can print the data in organized and attractive way. Seventh one, column of access table is known as dash. A row, B field, C cell. So answer is field here. Column of table is called field. Eighth one, a dash provides the data satisfying the criteria. A form, B macro, C query. So answer is query here. Query provides the data in the satisfying criteria. Okay, satisfying the criteria. Okay, if you are putting any criteria, it comes under query. Okay, which I have explained. You have to give the criteria, if else condition. Okay. Ninth one, dash view is used to create and modify table structure. A design, B data sheet, C view table. So answer is design here. Design view is used to create and modify table structure. 10th one, the default file name of Access database is dash. A data 1, B database 1, C db1. So answer is database 1. Okay, the default file name of Access database is database 1. Okay. 11th one, sort and filter group is on dash tab. A create, B home, C external data. So answer is home tab here. Sort and filter group is used on home tab. Okay, by home tab you can sort and filter the data. 12th one, book price can be defined as dash data type. A currency, B yes no, C text. So answer is currency here. This we have studied in the online class also, currency. Okay, but if you have to set the book price, you have to set the in the current data type as currency. Okay, then only you can type the currency in the dollar or rupees format. 13 one, we can store maximum dash character in a text field. A 255, B 256, C 64,000. So answer is 255 characters. Okay, so 255 characters is stored in the text field. Okay. 14 one, dash data type is used to store email address. A hyperlink, B hypertext, C link. So answer is hyperlink here. Hyperlink is used to store email address. You can go one place to another by the use of link. Okay, you are using link in the Google Classroom, like that hyperlink you can store in email address. Okay. 15.1, primary key is used to uniquely identify a record. A secondary secondary key, B primary key, C alternate key. So answer is primary key. Now students, primary key, all of you know that primary key we are using, which is the general information by which we can take the information of all related to that. For example, if a student's name is there, it is a primary key. We can take the details like name, phone number, email address, all the things comes under that student name, that if we are putting that name as a primary key. Okay. So students, this was our MCQs of chapter number 1, Microsoft Access 2010 part 1. Okay. So read this full 15 MCQs one more time and study well. Okay. Okay. Now let us remind what we have learned. Okay, one more time. Database is a collection of information. The table is a basic unit. Form is used to enter data in colorful and graphical way. A query is a question. Okay, keep in mind that. Fifth one, a report is an output process. Using reports, what we can do, we can print it organized and in attractive way. Okay, columns in Access table is referred as field. A query gives us the satisfying the criteria. Query provides the data in a satisfied criteria. Okay, your question you are asking, if you are asking any question, it provides in the simpler way. If you want to know the price of a books which are more than 500 rupees, okay, so by the query you can ask and you will get the reply by the computer. Okay. Design view is used to create and modify change the design of a table. Okay, create and modify the table design. Okay, by using design view, and by default the name is database 1. Okay. Sort and filter group is on home tab, and you can change the price on currency data type. Okay, and text field is maximum limit is 255 characters, and by hyperlink you can store the email ID, and primary key is used to as a unique data. Okay, it is a unique information to get any information. It's the identity of a record. Okay, so this was our MCQs of lesson number 1. So study well students, and best of luck for your exam. Okay, that's for all today now. Thank you and have a nice day.